Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to remove boxes from a document in Microsoft Word. So, let's jump right in. Say you have a document like this, filled with boxes or borders, and you want to clean it up. Here's how you do it. First things first, you want to highlight everything in the document. You can either do this manually like so, or you can use a handy shortcut by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This selects everything in the document. Now that everything's selected, we need to head up to the Borders menu. Now, make sure that you are in the Home tab. Now, you will see this option. Click on this little arrow. Now, menu will appear. Now, what we want to do is change that to no border. When you select no border, and just like that, poof, all your borders magically disappear. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.